Novio, migrena bosanuba, aublo novio. Migrena satanaba, aublo aublo, 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 Migrena bosanuba, aublo novio. Migrena satanaba, aublo, Ao jokato jojo nya 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 dala Yesu Eʋegbe jokato jojo nya 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 jokato jojo nya 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 dala Yesu Eʋegbe jokato jojo nya 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 Ao migrena bosanu ba ao blo novio migrena satana ba ao blo Ao migrena bosanu ba ao blo novio Migrena satanaba, aoblo, 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 Migrena bosanuba, aoblo, aoblo, Migrena satanaba, aoblo, Jokato, jojo, nya, 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 dala Yesu Eʋegbe, Jokato, jojo, nya, 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 Ajato, jojo, nya, 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 dala Yesu Eʋegbe, Ao migrena bosanuba, ao blo novio, migrena satanaba, ao blo. Novio migrena bosanuba, ao blo novio, migrena satanaba, ao blo.
Yo, miawezo.
Yo, agbo miawezo. Miedo gbene miaƒe nukpɔlawo, nyaselawo kple toɖolawo katã le xexea me. Miva misrɔ̃ ʋegbe. Tso ɣedzeƒe, ɣetoɖeƒe, anyiehe, dziehe, me sia me neva miasrɔ̃ ʋegbe. Míatɔ míegave mɔ dzi egba míafo atɔni ele afia. Míaƒe sista enyo nam ele afia. Nye ŋutɔ mama Verome le afia. Eye Dr. Awɔnyo ele zia me na mi be míaga ahe nuwɔna aɖewo ɖe go. So míade gbe ŋu, míade vavãnyenye, míade gbe ŋu Eʋegbe. Míade gbe Eʋegbe. Gbeɖiɖiawo to vovovo le teƒewo. Etso afi netso anuyɔyɔwo nɔna vovovo. Esia ya miedo taflatse be ne mieyɔ ɖe ye akpa yi ne meyɔnɛ nenem o megaxɔe na mi vevi o. Elabe mía ŋutɔ míenya be gbe ɖeka ko dome míele gake nuyɔyɔ wonɔ vovovo aɖe yi o. Ke míayi dzi egba míeko nuwɔna bubu aɖewo vɛ gake míakpɔ megbe ɖa be nu kawoe míesrɔ̃ va ɖo afi míele fia. Abe míaƒe nusɔsrɔ̃wo va yia, míesrɔ̃ ƒedzinuwo wɔme 13 ye le míeʋawo míasi. Míesrɔ̃ ta alebe ne eɖo fia ɖa míabia ge alo míeɖewo zã ge wodze gɔme dzove, dzodze kple tɔwo. Tedohe míekɔ ge vɛ míegasrɔ̃ kɔsiɖa me ƒe ŋkekewo. Ŋkeke wɔme 9 le kɔsiɖa ɖeka me. Wɔme 7 doɖa, blaɖa, kuɖa, yawuɖa, fiɖa, memliɖa, kɔsiɖa. Srɔ̃ hemɔwo hã katã yi hã va yi. Míesrɔ̃ gbeɖiɖi alo kɔkɔ gbeɖiɖi, gbesesẽ kple ŋɔŋlɔ dzesiwo hã va yi. Míesrɔ̃ gbekɔkɔ dzesi, ŋɔtsimegbe dzesi kple bubuawo hã va yi. Míesrɔ̃ nyababla nato gbeɖiɖi ɖeka akpe nɔvia wɔwɔ nya. Míesrɔ̃ yi hã ta yi hã míezã ge tanu yo kata mi srɔ̃ va yia ɖoko mie ƒoƒuwo vovovo ke ne egba mie ge ɖe ma ɖe sia ɖe kloe gege ge ɖe eme me emɔ ɖeka to ge me nu ɖeka nye ge míalé ɖe asi ayi dzi o ta hafi míadze gɔmea ne dɔkta le afi ma nenɔ dzadzram ɖo wòde me na mí ne míegbɔ xɔ ke míesee ɖe edzi ale wòle atɔni meɖe míele afi ma ke do ɖe du hafi ne míadzoe
Yo, Apprende Ewe. So what our sister is saying that today's program is going to be a kind of revision about the things that we've been learning. As you are aware, we've learned about the months of the year. In every land, we have 13 months in the year, starting from January, Jove, Joje, Tedehui. We also learn the days of the week. Monday, Joda, Blada, Kuda, Gbeɖiɖi, Besese, Wonglo, Motime, Nyajes. So all the things that we've been learning today is going to be a combination. We're going to combine them and try to make sense of the various things that we've been learning. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Thank you.
Daniel, leto le gbɔ do gbe na mí ne na tutu ne míade français o.
Bonjour, bonsoir, chers auditeurs. Merci pour votre participation aujourd'hui. Nous voulons faire une révision de tout ce que nous avions étudié les mois dans l'année, janvier, février, avril, mai, juin. Nous avions étudié Jove, Joje, Tode et les jours de la semaine, lundi, mardi, mercredi, Joda, Blada, Kuda. Et puis, nous avions aussi étudié les mots, comment on compose les mots en utilisant les voyelles et les consonnes pour en faire un mot, les verbes, les adjectifs et tout ça là. Nous voulons réviser tout ça et continuer avec un nouveau programme qui est la formation d'un mot. Merci beaucoup, merci. 1000 fois merci. Esther.
Akpe na míaƒe nukpɔlɔ kple míada katã dɔktawo nyo míaƒe kaptena le ʋua me alo míawo eʋukula ne ekplɔ mí yi me vie kɔ míagbɔ míadze nugɔme akpe na mí nyawoe ve dɔwɔ ge hã.
Hello, on behalf of Siana, in collaboration with the Ewe Association of Washington DC Metro Inc., it is our honor and joy to welcome you to Siana 2026 Convention. We are proud to host this historic gathering in the heart of Maryland, and we are ready to take it to a whole new level. With bold vision and unwavering commitment, we are elevating excellence in every detail, ensuring that Siana 2026 will be unforgettable. This year's theme, Preserving Culture, Inspiring Generations, is more than a slogan. It is a promise to honor our heritage, empower our youth, and unite our global Ewe family in purpose and pride. For decades, Siena has been the heartbeat of a people determined to celebrate their roots and shape their future. From the vibrant rhythms of Agbaja and Bobobo to the quiet wisdom of our elders, every convention has been a living tapestry of tradition, unity, and vision. Join us from September 3rd to September 7th, 2026 at Bethesda North Marriott Hotel, Maryland. Come ready to reconnect, to rejoice, and to raise funds to help build our Eweland. This is your moment. Register early, volunteer your time and talents, give generously to fuel the future, and most of all, share the message. Let the world know that Siena is not just alive, it is thriving. Together, we preserve culture. Together, we inspire generations. Together, with the Ewe Association of Washington DC Metro Inc., we build Siena 2026. Join us to make history. Siena 2026. Honor the past. Empower the future. Visit www.siena2026.org for more information. See you there.
Siena 2026.
Yes.
Welcome you. DMV.
Yes.
Siena 2026 DMV will welcome you.
Thank you.
Akpa miawezo. Aha. Ta agba abale amiegble na miekonu kukuru ko miahofu. Danyo. Arakwala sima.
Marque.
Amen.
Dongo makloro. Mie a lebu. Koga pofu. Ave
Okay.
mia kobo nkao mia kpola a lebu. Mie wo a b d d e o g e. Mie wo ikatan va yiho. Ta ti a mie jibe mia kpoba leke mie zon.
Okay.
Elle
Ok. Merci encore une fois, merci. Aujourd'hui, comme on a déjà... ok. Merci. Aujourd'hui, comme on a déjà étudié les voyelles et les consonnes, nous voulons procéder par utiliser les consonnes et les voyelles pour en faire un mot. Par exemple, aujourd'hui, nous avons pris A et B, AB, et on va ajouter les consonnes et les voyelles pour en faire un mot. Le premier mot est Aba. A, Aba. Le lit. Aba. Le deuxième mot, Abi. La plaie. Abi. Appelait. La plaie. Troisième mot, abolo. Une sorte de pain que les Hébés font avec maïs. Abolo. Un autre mot, abord. Les bras. Abord, les deux bras. Donc, je remets la terre à Sista. Marcuna a proceed na ni aware da mo ne mark mo wa aba abi abolo and above.
Yo, akpa no lo danyo. Aha, anya yi mia no via glola. Français me pie ko. Aba gba mia cho a plebu. Be mia popu mia wonya. Ta ne mie gere ma mie po a plebu. Ple a mie ga cho bu. Mie ga cho a ke adibanka. Atoni bra ko adibanka.
Abba.
Aba. Ediba aba. I got your I bu. Ple e. Eko ihava di be abi. Abi ekoni tonanu alumema. Abraham yemloji.
Abi na ame aho abia. Abang vevi wa ame ya
Yeah.
abi. Ye mo le French
Levegbema. Levegbema. Abi afianu vovovo. Abi mietonu. Abi
abi o bona
kawona.
sister. Moroko abi alo abui.
Abi.
E was mangla abui ha de fia mangla ple u e I abui. Ple abi. Abui. Ple abi. No abui a enye ya okotona anwa. Le mi ne ma o fia mi o ma. Abi enye ya kenen vevi wo onye wado achike ya enya abi. Abui enye ya okotona anwa nyemenya ne
Nana
ma ole mi
Ah,
ogbon.
Anyo
ela
Nana
nanama abili. Abi kaganyena tonui. Iha ogayo ni ba abi. Amado hoyo ni ba abui. Iha ta yemanye gblɔƒoƒo be nu ɖeka egbeɖiɖi enu ɖeka ŋkɔ eto vovo le gbeɖiɖiawo me elabe ʋegbe to vovo le teƒe vovo. Dɔkta akpe kekeke ta numawo woe le afi ma. Ok, ke yi hã yi ma abolo abo o ezum ka abolo ta míaƒe abedere yi ma míeda ɖe ŋua dzi be míaƒo nyawo le afi ma míakɔ ƒoƒu. Wɔme eve ko wɔme etɔ̃ ko ne wɔ alo gawɔ bubu kpe ɖe ŋu.
Abe
Abo.
abe miate akpɔ word gbogbo ɖo kpakpli miabe aba abala abadzivɔ ne miaƒe nukpɔlawo hã kpɔ ɖea woate akɔ kpe abe a na mi fa ne mia generate word yiwo keke va kpakple abe a meƒu mi kpe ɖa abala abadzivɔ ne mia akpɔ ɖa ne miaƒe nukpɔlawo hã kpɔ ɖea woate kpekpe ma na mi ba.
Akpe atoni ke meɖe aɖi ɖe yevuwo ƒe gba me.
Yo, so we coming to the words that we're trying to combine today. So, as you know, we've been learning about the alphabet, and today is kind of revision. We are bringing them together. We are combining the words or the letters to form words. So the first one we are starting with it's a and B. How to combine those ones to form words. So our sister that was speaking French introduced 4 words. The first one is ABA, which is Abba in Ewe, and that means bed. So ABA is bed in Ewe. So the second one is ABI, which can stand for so many things. Abi can be sore. When you get hurt, you get a boo-boo, a sore, that is Abi. And we also understand that it can be like something used in sewing. But in some places they call it Abui, which is ABUI. So the third word we combine is Abolo, which is ABOLO. Abolo is a food in every land. And the fourth word that we look at was ABOR, abo. So abo can also mean your arm. ABOR, it can also mean like a fence in some places. Yeah, so that's in a nutshell, that's what they were talking about. Thank you.
Yeah, akpe miaƒo. Ovo Cyrus, ewoe dɔ wɔm keke danyo miawoe le dɔ dzi. Yeah. Kamye strong. Aba. Abi. Abolo. Abo. Onya nuyoka. Nyagbe yoka. Ah. Bu. Kle o otan pofu. Anami. Ne míetso heya ƒoƒu míekpɔ nuya le mea, míatutui do ɖe míaƒe nusrɔ̃lawo, nukpɔlawo kple nyaselawo gbɔ. Ne ame aɖe hã agata ƒoƒu ɖe aŋlɔ ɖe nua me na mia, mɔnukpɔkpɔ li be wòawu hema. Danyo mereku.
Yeah. Okay.
Míayi míagba lo. Aha.
Míate igbo fa
Eni.
lo, míayi dzi fa ne doctor le fi hã.
Míakoe le nua dzi gbɔ, míakoe le screen dzi gbɔ.
Okay.
Aba. Efia aba. Enye le English gbe me. Enye nuka. Bed.
Bed.
Bed. Okay. English, French Lee. French Lee, L-I-T. French Lee, L-I-T, yeah, Lee. Okay. Now, Abajivo. Abajivo.
Nyabo ma voko miele abi bima wa abi ori.
Me call emale na example be ne miaƒe nukpɔlawo be akɔ ɖe kpi na mi fa ta aba abadzivo ne nukpɔlawo kɔ wokpɔ ɖea la te kɔ kpe aba eyike sound ABA na mi fa ame nya kokoko be woaŋlɔ abadzivo fa alo ate ŋlɔ ʋegbea fa ne miaŋlɔ kpɔtɔeawo.
Akpe. Nyo secretary anu ŋlɔ vava. Obo. Nye la shi o mo.
Okay, me have a second word, Abi play.
Ilafima.
Yeli. Mi akpa pom. Danyo mi la shi o mo.
Aku
Gana mi reka na mi ovo mi ayi mi ava.
Mariko ba mila abijia lo mi la abia okay. Okay, la play PLAIE PLAIE Okay, la play Abi. Aku mia ijia lo mia. Mia ijia. Apollo.
A.
Apollo.
A.
Okay. French about le pain. Le pain. Yeah. Pain. 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 Abo. Abo. Okay, French. Le bras. Bras. As. As. S. Mhm. Okay. Kema player Mia yiji kple ŋkɔ yo mi generate kple abea. Alo wapo hare tso mo na mi.
All right. Nya ko harakan.
Hello, on behalf of Siana, in collaboration with the Ewe Association of Washington DC Metro Inc., it is our honor and joy to welcome you to Siana 2026 Convention. We are proud to host this historic gathering in the heart of Maryland, and we are ready to take it to a whole new level. With bold vision and unwavering commitment, we are elevating excellence in every detail, ensuring that Siana 2026 will be unforgettable. This year's theme, Preserving Culture, Inspiring Generations, is more than a slogan. It is a promise to honor our heritage, empower our youth, and unite our global Ewe family in purpose and pride. For decades, Siana has been the heartbeat of a people determined to celebrate their roots and shape their future. From the vibrant rhythms of Agbaja and Bobobo to the quiet wisdom of our elders, every convention has been a living tapestry of tradition, unity, and vision. Join us from September 3rd to September 7th, 2026 at Bethesda North Marriott Hotel, Maryland. Come ready to reconnect, to rejoice, and to raise funds to help build our Ewe land. This is your moment. Register early, volunteer your time and talents, give generously to fuel the future, and most of all, share the message. Let the world know that Siana is not just alive, it is thriving. Together, we preserve culture. Together, we inspire generations. Together, with the Ewe Association of Washington DC Metro Inc., we build Siana 2026. Join us to make history. Siana 2026. Honor the past. Empower the future. Visit www.siana2026.org for more information. See you there.
Ao mi glena bosanu ba, ao vlo novio. Mi glena satana ba, ao vlo novio. Mi glena bosanu ba, ao vlo novio. Mi glena satana ba, ao vlo ao vlo, ao vlo, ao vlo ao vlo, ao vlo, ao vlo Mi glena bosanu ba, ao vlo novio. Mi glena satana ba ao bloe ao jokato jojo nya 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 dala Yesu regbe jokato jojo nya 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 jokato jojo nya 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 dala Yesu regbe jokato jojo nya 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 ao mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio mi glena satana ba ao bloe Ao mi glena bosanu ba, ao vlo novio. Mi glena satana ba, ao vlo ao vlo, ao vlo, ao vlo ao vlo, ao vlo, ao vlo Mi glena bosanu ba, ao vlo novio. Mi glena satana ba, ao vlo Jokato jojo nya nya nya, dala Yesu regbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ajato jojo nya nya nya, dala Yesu regbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. buena bossa nova, aoflo novio. Mi buena satanaba, aoflo. Novio, mi buena bossa nova, aoflo novio. Mi buena satanaba, aoflo.
Yawezom. Okay, Daniel. Mia novi Daniel plomito onu sosron piare maika miechu a bu ohu ben mia gbe kawo mia kpolem alo nya kawo mia kpolem miekpo aba miekpo abi abolo blabo mia da yiji.
Okay. Si nous ajoutons A, B,
Na
A.
na aglia ata ta fedore Eʋegbe me vie alo English me vie
Okay.
ni katã yi ɖe afi ma ko ke de mi gbe.
Okay. Abale minye na mi ko vowelawo kpekpem ɖe abe ŋu. Alebe ne mi kɔ u kɔ kpe ɖe abe ŋua, mi kpɔ abu ta abu ma word ɖeka ɖe ya va susu me na ma yenye abuneke. Abunekea nyemenya ne ame ɖe nya nu yiwo yɔna nenema o.
Miamaro mienye.
Ok. Comme on vient de le dire, si nous ajoutons AB.
Fifia abunekea echare mietoni. Yenye teddy bear la fille le Eʋegbe me English.
Manye teddy bear, teddy bear the wabe stuff me atwa ko toy kwe in general. Hello.
Numa ko to. Anu toto alebe na to. Ato amevi onye nyɔnuvi alo onye ŋutsuvi yo pa abuneke. Ye ko nye teddy bear le Eʋegbe English ame. Yo gbalenya lo.
Teddy bear.
Na mare nye re bubu na ngre re gbasa me na mi.
Teddy bear ya sisi blisia ho bear afọ latin okona na ame ha kpakpli ne wa to abwanya me anye nchukle tane mi yobe teddy bear ami obo susula teddy bear ji specifically manye eya to kpakpla bo
gako kata teddy bear ko yo na ore aronya vuvi aronya ko kata teddy bear
sister
Eʋegbe man Eʋegbe so amele Eʋegbe some hanatansis here. Okay, so we've now come to another word that we're forming, but as you can see, there is some disagreement about that word, so I want to also bring it to your attention. So the word our sister mentioned is abuneke. So that abuneke, the understanding I have is supposed to be something that you sew to make a toy out of it, like stuffed animal. You sew it in the shape. It can be in the shape of a teddy bear. It can be in the shape of a girl. It can be in the shape of a horse. It can be in the shape of a dog. So abuneke is stuffed. I will not even say stuffed animal because stuffed human.
Stuffed human. Yeah, now you're talking.
That you stitch together or sew and make a toy out of it is abuneke. It can be a dog, it can be a pig, it can be a hen, it can be fish. My kids actually have a toy that is fish, but it's cloth that is sewed together to make a fish. Very nice.
Okay, I think they say the puppet.
You're talking about.
They call it a puppet here.
Puppet.
The puppet
Yes.
is a different thing altogether. Puppet
Puppet,
is
yeah.
called teacher.
Pardon?
It's called teacher V.
Teacher V. Okay.
Yes.
Teacher.
Teacher Ville in Togo or in Ghana?
In Ghana,
Teacher. Okay, so puppet, as we understand in English, it's something that is a toy. You know, it's made up of a toy, all right. And but the reason it's called puppet is because you can control it. You can
control
or a
it.
doll.
very
A doll?
you know.
A doll?
Eh? I know
asking
in
you if that can be
Ghana,
a doll too.
Oh yeah, it can be a dog. Yes.
A
Yes.
doll.
yeah, it can be anything. Yeah. I know they have this song, they say, teacher Vima plus whatever for me. Teacher Vima plus tapioca nama avaku. There's a song like that. So when they do it, the puppet dance to that. So they call it
Okay.
teacher V.
Okay.
And so, miapa no
So
kola, miapa nyasalao, miapa no sosron ahana no rego,
Abuneke.
miapo abuneke. Abuneke a alaba mia a b kom akwa wonya ta nya va do le miapa no sosron ma. Tanda amade nyanko bubu na abuneke. Ika miata yone le yevama ye ngulira basama nami na akpo na mia akpo yeah ma so is that okay
Okay.
hello hello puppet you said the puppet already hello teacher
Yeah.
via koda kai ono ni wom ni ono ruma Banyaba niyo ni ba teacher vi alang ba teacher vi ma tapioca na mavaku alaba no o hajim ko kaham ni no garu ta na maranya ko bara na miya o mie mon ko poli ba mi adire basama na mi akpa nko srom yela a bu a mi kpo aba mi kpo abi mi kpo abolo mi kpo abo okay akpa
Okay. The next word. Hello. Word ike gakpolo mado ayenye ablode. Ike magala ejole vowel la ogbo. Ike nye ablode. Inye ablode vi. Le mot ablode c'est la liberté. Ablode ab le o de et so ablode. Sister, you have the floor.
yeah
Okay.
yeah
So,
ma yeah baro ko mi chakam mi bleba mietso nyagbere ka eve alebe miaƒoƒu yo kata miesrɔ̃ kpɔ va yi kɔɖoko mietsaka ta ne mietso eɖe ye wòtra hã egegem ɖe ƒoƒɔ me koe ta menye ɖe mietatra mo miekpo ablɔɖevi elabe miewo nyaƒoƒu yi ke mietso enya ve nya tɔ̃ kple gbeɖiɖi edeme ta itɔgbie ma òwɔ fia ta na miekpo ɖe kple ablɔɖevi okay Adoni.
all right. So today we're just trying to form words out of the letters that we've been learning. So we are combining all the letters learned and forming words out of it. So we started from ABA, ABA, ABI, ABI. So ABA is a bed, ABI is wound or sore. We saw ABOLO, which is food, abolo or bread. ABOR, abo, like arm. Then we took a look at abuneke, which is like which is a toy, but basically made of like material, fabric. And that toy can be in the shape of anything. It can be a beautiful girl, it can be a dog, it can be a teddy, what we call teddy bear. We now considering a word
Doctor will give us a song
called ablode. Ablode.
after
And
this. Yeah.
ablode stands for freedom or liberty. You know, ablode is ABLODE. Also on the screen. So so we're just trying to form words out of the letters. So the AB, then we add in other words, other letters to it. LODE will give us ablode.
Liberté. Liberté in French.
Okay. Dr. Heredia.
Okay. Player, me I think akpo nko yo ke me I think generate with play a play bear. Nko yo me think poa the kanye abla to abla kuma abla masa abochi na amere akpo bubua I think we akpi na mi falo. Voilà, nous voulons voir si on on peut trouver les noms communément, les noms qui commencent avec AB dans notre langue Ewe. Et tout ce qu'on a trouvé, c'est Abla, Ablato, Ablakuma, Ablamassa, Aboti. Si vous avez aussi des noms qui commencent par AB, vous êtes libre pour nous les proposer. Merci beaucoup.
Okay, so now we're trying to look at some of the names or names of people or persons that we can get from AB. And our sister mentioned some names like Ablan, and that's one of the names that we can get from ABL. We also have Ablavi, Ablakuma, Ablamansa, and there are other names like Ablakwa. You know, so like we said from the beginning, we are trying words out of the letters that we've been learning. So we look at general words, but now we are looking at names of persons that start with A and B. Thank you.
Akpa. Yeah. Yes, a long column, ye gaiji. Mia novia, a gaiji na mi pla a lebu, cocopu. The agara unko yoka la koshirama. Alaba miepo abla. Ablavana, ablavi, ablato, ablakuma, abla, the sharakom, ablana vafi or vafa, ablamansa, ta, miekpo abla, Ikanya nyɔnuvi ke wodzi Blaragbe alo Ablaragbe atso akpa yi ke Eʋegbe atso yi Eʋegbe tsoa yi ŋutie nuwo Gbeɖiɖiawo nɔna ta Ablaragbe alo Blaragbe alo Braragbe ablavi, ablakuma, ablamansa, ablatɔ kple bubuawo. Akpe nyayi dzi.
Uncle for Sarah Sova.
Let me just reiterate that the name that we are talking about is coming from the days of the week. So bladder, abla, that's going to be Tuesday. So a person born on Monday is going to be, a girl will be Ajo. Okay, but so abla, that will be Tuesday. So in Everland, names are given according to the day that you are born. So if you see somebody named Abla, that person is born on Tuesday. Thank you.
Okay. Let me idea. Then Doctor I'm ready. Doctor already, sister.
Already, yeah.
Mercury.
Okay.
Nico.
Okay.
It's actually Agbeko Viade.
Okay.
Yo, Tamia, Mia Bonaki.
Okay.
Akpe miawe do.
Hello, on behalf of Siana, in collaboration with the Ewe Association of Washington DC Metro Inc., it is our honor and joy to welcome you to Siana 2026 Convention. We are proud to host this historic gathering in the heart of Maryland, and we are ready to take it to a whole new level. With bold vision and unwavering commitment, we are elevating excellence in every detail, ensuring that Siana 2026 will be unforgettable. This year's theme, Preserving Culture, Inspiring Generations, is more than a slogan. It is a promise to honor our heritage, empower our youth, and unite our global Ewe family in purpose and pride. For decades, Siana has been the heartbeat of a people determined to celebrate their roots and shape their future. From the vibrant rhythms of Agbaja and Bobobo to the quiet wisdom of our elders, every convention has been a living tapestry of tradition, unity, and vision. Join us from September 3rd to September 7th, 2026 at Bethesda North Marriott Hotel, Maryland. Come ready to reconnect, to rejoice, and to raise funds to help build our Ewe land. This is your moment. Register early, volunteer your time and talents, give generously to fuel the future, and most of all, share the message. Let the world know that Siana is not just alive, it is thriving. Together, we preserve culture. Together, we inspire generations. Together, with the Ewe Association of Washington DC Metro Inc., we build Siana 2026. Join us to make history. Siana 2026. Honor the past. Empower the future. Visit www.siana2026.org for more information. See you there.
Siena 2026.
Yes.
Welcome you. DMV.
Yes.
Siena 2026 DMV will welcome you.
Awo mi glena bosanu ba, awo flo novio. Mi glena satana ba, awo flo. Novio mi glena bosanu ba, awo flo novio. Mi glena satana ba, awo flo. Awo flo, awo flo, awo flo. Awo flo, awo flo, awo flo. Mi glena bosanu ba, awo flo novio. Mi glena satana ba, awo flo.
Akpe nyakpɔntɔ. Nyɔnuwo ƒe ɣa ko miekpɔ tututu hafi o. Enua vivim ko. Eko dɔkta tsi. Akpe. Akpe. Aha. Okay. Ke mereku mia able ko. Mia hai. Daniel. Nila shi.
Mereku enuɖuɖu eve aɖewo yi ke míeyɔna le ʋegbe me ye wodze gɔme kple abea. Abolo, abe míeyɔ abolo va yi, abladzo tɔtɔe, abɔbɔ, veyie, le Togo ma mi gblɔna be veyie, amewo be abɔbɔ, aboɖa. Donc, on vient de dire que les nourritures, certaines des nourritures en Ewe qu'on a retrouvées avec le mot AB sont abladio, banane, la banane, plantain, abolo, le pain, abobo, l'haricot, aboda. Ça se prépare avec le maïs. Et si vous connaissez aussi certains de nos nourritures qui commencent par AB, vous pouvez nous les écrire. Merci beaucoup. Sister, your turn.
Yeah. Mia gaiji. Mia daga jere manami ba. Abolo. Ablajo. Ala ba mie a b kom. Akpo nyagbe alo nyalema. Ta akpo ablajo. Abolo. Abobo. abobo teƒe geɖe abobo ko yɔnɛ. Amevana
okay.
gake menya be tso ƒlawu ne míetso dea ya abobo gake bɔbɔ
Okay.
hafi
Aboda.
aboda yi hã abe wonye kɔ wonye amewo menye bli ɖaɖa wonye akpe
All right, so
virus.
we're having a lot of fun today because we're learning something and we're introducing things to it. It's becoming complex, but just so basically the letters that we learn A and B, we're trying to form words out of it. Okay, so there are so many words that we've learned out of it. Some names, some just ordinary words, but the one we are considering right now is food. Some food items that start with AB. Okay, and the first one is abolo. We've seen it already. So the first combination that we used, abolo was in it. When we have the aba, abi, abolo, and abo. Okay, so abolo, that's wise. So abolo is bread in Ewe. ABOLO. The second one is ablajo. Ablajo, that's plantain. And in Everland, ablajo, they do it in so many ways. They can roast it, water, they can fry it, but it's all from the ripe plantain. And you can also, if the ripe one too, okay, you can also roast that
Yes,
one.
I like that one. And add azi.
Yeah.
Add azi.
Yeah, Adi plus you eat with as. So that is ablajo plantain. ABLAEZO. Then another one is cooked beans, which is abobo. Our mother said some places is just bobo, but the part of Eweland I come from is we say abobo, and that's the general words. It's ABORBOR. That's abobo, cooked beans. And the last word our sister introduced was ABODA, aboda. So aboda, actually, that is corn that has been cooked. Okay, sometimes it's on the stick, or sometimes they dry it and then cook it. Probably I would like Auntie Vero to tell us specifically which one is the aboda, because I know they can use the dry corn, then roast it. They can also use the dry corn and cook it. There is also the fresh one that they can
That is
cook.
the Buddha.
The fresh one.
Yeah.
Okay. So
aboda mean so many things in yeah, we don't want to go there. It means some bad stuff too.
oh, okay.
So, but
So
let's talk about the food one.
The kind of aboda we are considering is
The food,
the fresh corn
food.
that is cooked with water.
Yes.
Okay.
That
And
one
in
to go with aji.
in Eweland, you can also let the corn be dry, then you roast it, or you can also let it be dry, then you
We
cook
have it on the screen.
Oh,
Okay.
dry fries zoklali.
Zoklale, yes. So if it's dry,
Yeah.
zoklale.
So the cook one is aboda.
Yeah. The fresh one that you cook with water is aboda, but the dry one is zoklale. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, zoklali.
That's
Right.
That's the roasted one.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
azikpeli. When you
That mean
blend
you
it
have to.
with
That mean you have to add the
groundnuts.
ají to it. Yeah. The aboda is the plain corn that you cook in the water. That's aboda.
Maraku na mi po pajia
Eh,
mi po abora lafia
ma.
love
Boboza hali.
the seeds of the corn maize. So
Mhm.
it's shelled and then boiled, as you
Yeah.
can see. Yeah. So that's
Yeah.
abora.
Thank you.
Yevu bolo ha no nyi.
Ihali abolo yebubolo
Ablajo ha va.
ablajo hai.
That's good. Good. Thank you. Merci.
Abolo ala mavuvu. Aya yevu bolo ema.
Chimabolo hali ta
Mhm.
wana mabe yevu bolo bolo hali alave bolo
Mhm.
Ha. Agbebolo hali. Abolo ali bobo ada hali ona ba bongo. Boma bolo.
Mm.
Ya ocho mi javiara adani. Afi ni ai ka uma chake kuna ko o kata manila puma. Ya yo ne ba puma bolo. Yeah.
Bolo.
Ta
Okay, so
ye globo dra panya ye na glo bli totu panya. Ye majima maglo na Cyrus but kanya ye bugba manko no bli totu ashia. Ye mi da sukua.
Maraku how?
Dr. Maraku anya ye bugba manko no bli totu zoklali sila suku da ye.
Zoklalea.
Eh.
Zoklale nyeme enya nkole English igbemo. Nyeme
I'm your neighbor graphic and times.
Oh yeah.
kama
Oh
ya
yeah.
I'm your Tommy
yema
training. Hello. Your Tommy
yema
Tom Fanning and no
Ohanye na na madanyo.
You must see Paul.
Oh
That's
yeah.
why I said
Graphic and times.
graphic and time.
Ala ba miya pa niya jojo balo Ghana. Onya graphic plus times may. Ana suku dama ano magbavam no yuko. Ina logara kutuku ma kuviara ko sunwi. Enya api mangko no shi.
Let me see Paul.
Miya pagbasro
abolo
lang. Miya po pumobolo larwaji abolo platadi.
Koma bolo halafia kle kalami ele yeah.
Ana adamaro namaro umolo.
Kalami ma na voto emia plani.
Okay.
Iha ya bugba mankola shi. Ama baraka. 1,000.
1,000.
Okay. Phone number Apple Gaton.
Tamia la shioma. Owe mi aklomlo.
Oh, nenema. Playa, oh no, baka gama chat tirare mi anchi ma. Ne biara kama le mi apa nukbola osiwa. Ka ne nyichoa ne mi godoga. Ne wana mi anyale oyona abo befia. Ne mi do kama na wa yue na mi ame yo nye wa ngole na mi lo abo befia. Playa. Ne enyarele mi asia kama mi akoko pine mi akpa akpe.
Yo, nya someone papa ada kpana mi agbe do kata na mi. Nya pon polo selo turu lo ame yo kata kpashire mi ang be wona ga vaji. Nya pon so sro gbar ko mi jama. Ale be nu yo kata ko mi block bo. Mi be mi agere ma ha na no reku I ko mi va wo. Ale be le mi wea. Nya we wo do ha. Nyaro kujiba koyama pasiana ala Washington Siana radio ji mi ngowom la mi program wom la tana ma register na Siana harako ka afonacho na nyawe na miagadru atoni and then
Yo,
you summarize
all our
and
listeners.
Dr. will end it.
Yeah, I want to thank all our listeners for today's program and all the panelists who contributed. I want to thank you so much. So today we're trying to apply the things that we've learned, previous knowledge, the alphabets that we've learned. We're trying to form words out of them, and it's been fun. So the graphic and times our madam mentioned really, we call zoklale. So the zoklale, then you add a grammar to it, as that's what the graphic and time, because back then the main newspapers was graphic and times. So if you want to have a balanced news, you buy graphic and you buy times. So that means the zoklale, that is the corn, the roasted corn. You can't eat it alone. You need to eat it with roasted groundnut or peanut for it to be very tasty. So personally, I've learned a lot. So we are learning, and we want to thank you also for staying with us and learning with us. We want to thank you, Lord. Amen.
Yo, akpena mi agata, akpena mi afe jimenola, daño, señala, Saros, Mama Vero, miawe odo, alabe, abala menyana, Siana Media, miapo wana ojana gomacho, afiragbe, play jazz, ike DJ Lawrence Mawen Nyega no na Jimena afi vado mamnedagbe ke wona oyiji ple lama senyao Davi Misdel owe ekpona wona magbo aye chofuma kemi vado Siena Central ikenye for Steve ple da Empress. So afuma ke mieva do de dunanyo bobo ike mianovi ike le Ghana enko inye da Authentic Mama ewo ni chona afuma alabe yanye wona de ike le kadodo menami ple miasiana media to ple radio TV station are la Ghana oyona be top media ta nyape wonao chona fuma na chofuma ke ba dore miagbo ikenye Srɔ Eʋegbe ike ipomi lafia ala be cho Srɔ Eʋegbe jia ke mieyi eji eva dore koshidagbe nem koshidagbe ke ya da miape koshidagbe wonawa enye faith and culture ike mianovia de le Atlanta Davi Larry awona alabe eponancho ngvuvung ikenye dekonu ple xɔse pia miaƒe wɔna de egbɔna ike enye mianovia de tso Ghana enye hadzila gã aɖe alebe ŋuiwɔge wogbɔna nye be egbɔna Eʋegbe hadzila yiwo ke edodom fia woƒo ko hawo gbɔnɛ egbɔna eŋuƒoge no alebe
nemiase havivi ma yo ke do dom cho Eʋegbe miato gbagbajem chong ta merekuku nami mino ntene wona mata mie boblodoge cho engpi ane meshiamana ase yo akpe ke mereku enya bubu ade gale amade shia afi nemia akwedo afia mekwesera afia yo akpe nami ke abale da eglone na ebe miaga adogo miaga dogo
We'll meet again. Then see you.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Let me bring reference here.
Au revoir.
Au miaga dogo.
Au revoir. On se revoit.
Au revoir, mais bye.
Au revoir, miaga dogo.
On se revoit.
All right.
See you mañana.
On se revoit, yeah.
Yo.
All right, doctor.
Yo, Kayma. Yo,
merci. Les auditeurs.
Zade, Abale, le Togo.
Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit, merci bien.
Hello, on behalf of Siana, in collaboration with the Ewe Association of Washington DC Metro Inc., it is our honor and joy to welcome you to Siana 2026 Convention. We are proud to host this historic gathering in the heart of Maryland, and we are ready to take it to a whole new level. With bold vision and unwavering commitment, we are elevating excellence in every detail, ensuring that Siana 2026 will be unforgettable. This year's theme, Preserving Culture, Inspiring Generations, is more than a slogan. It is a promise to honor our heritage, empower our youth, and unite our global Ewe family in purpose and pride. For decades, Siana has been the heartbeat of a people determined to celebrate their roots and shape their future. From the vibrant rhythms of Agbaja and Bobobo to the quiet wisdom of our elders, every convention has been a living tapestry of tradition, unity, and vision. Join us from September 3rd to September 7th, 2026 at Bethesda North Marriott Hotel, Maryland. Come ready to reconnect, to rejoice, and to raise funds to help build our Ewe land. This is your moment. Register early, volunteer your time and talents, give generously to fuel the future, and most of all, share the message. Let's the world.
Ao miglena bosanuba, ao vlo novio. Miglena satanaba, ao vlo. Novio, miglena bosanuba, ao vlo novio. Miglena satanaba, ao vlo. Ao vlo, ao vlo, ao vlo. Ao vlo, Miglena bosanuba, ao vlo novio. Miglena satanaba, ao vlo. Ao jokato, jojo nya, dala Yesu Eʋegbe. Jokato, jojo nya. Jokato, jojo nya, dala Yesu Eʋegbe. Jokato, jojo nya. Ao miglena bosanuba, ao vlo novio. Miglena satanaba, ao vlo. Ao miglena bosanuba, ao vlo novio. Miglena satanaba, ao vlo. Ao vlo, ao vlo, ao vlo. Ao vlo, ao vlo, ao vlo. Miglena bosanuba, ao vlo novio. Miglena satanaba, ao vlo. Jokato, jojo nya, dala Yesu Eʋegbe. Jokato, jojo nya. Ajato, jojo nya, dala Yesu Eʋegbe. Jokato, jojo nya. Ao miglena bosanuba, ao vlo novio. Miglena satanaba,